Hello and welcome to today's session where we will exploring the laboratory information management system by Medikamart. My name is Ashish and I will guiding you through the system features such as registration, billing and report generation to help you understand how this software can enhance your laboratory operations. So let's get started. So now we are coming here on the website of Medicamart, that is www.medicamart.in. So we are logging. I have already logged in my credentials. So this is the interface of website, and you can see over the dashboard over here, there are four options are available in the dashboard. One is daily visits. You can track your sales. You can you can track the comments of the patients and the total number of visits. These are the things which are available on the dashboard. From here, the dashboard is providing an overview of your lab key matrices, such as the daily visits and monthly sales. As you can see here, you can see the daily reports or daily reports, and you can see the 7-day reports over here. You can see the data of the last weeks or the past weeks data in these 7-day reports. And in report section, you can bifurcate the report by total reports, total earnings, and total due. So it is a very interactive dashboard in terms of details of reports. Here also, you can see the sales report for last 30 days. The data is uploaded over here. And in terms of top test list, so the tests which are coming regularly or more into the lab for the checking, you can list out the test over here on also. You can see the details over here, the rank, the number. You can and the data is showing rank wise which test is number one in selling or patients are recommending, the test name, category, and count. And also that you can see the bifurcation of the tests depending on their segment, like hematology, cardiac examination, cancer investigation, HIV, immunodeficiency panel. Like these, the test details are there and bifurcated by color coding. So it is very helpful and understandable for the lab operation manager or the lab team to understand the sales details of the test according to the test wise and the disease wise details. And this section is referring doctor details. So it is also bifurcated by the frequency of the doctors who are sending most of the samples to the lab. So here are the bifurcation is given according to their uh, sample sending status and the sample sending quantity. So you can easily bifurcate and share the details about the doctors in terms of doctors and their practices. So let's start with billing section. Now let's walk through the process of the generation of the new bill for a patient and for the existing patients also. The information automatically populate when the name is entered. So saving your time is a crucial thing, and it saves your time because as in terms of billing section, as you can see, there are two types of details are there. One is for new patients and other is for existing patients. And the details is, and you can generate the details, and you can find the details through billing date over here. And here, as you can see, the patient information interface is there. So it is divided by, you can search patient with the existing client. So it is given the details, age, age of the patient, gender of the patient, mobile number of the patient, mail of the patient, and address of the patient. So you can add and save the patient history for your further client base, and you can easily find out that by filling the details here, and it is very helpful for you. And in terms of references, If the patient comes with the Prime subscription, the Prime from the Prime app, you can add the Prime ID over here. And if the patient is non-Prime or a walk-in patient, you can directly connect, put non-Prime and give the details. In terms of test information, there are the test information, the category is divided by various tests, and there are details. As you can see, you can easily bifurcate and put the details according to the test category. Like the test is for biochemistry, molecular biology, hematology, or virus tests, or in terms of infection test, or the hormone test. So you can easily bifurcate that. We select hematology test. And also here also, the reference doctor name is also mentioned over here. The tag is also there, so you can write the doctor details. So it will be helpful for you to track the patient and the doctor's prescription. Here you can see the interface where the name of the test is there, and the price of the test is also mentioned over here. So once you select the test, all the detailed information come under the invoicing section. So you can see the total number, the taxable amount. In terms of GST, you can add the GST also. You can add the collection charges for the test. Whether the test is if the test is home collection, so you can add the home collection charges over there. If the patient pays the advance amount, you can add the advance amount over here also. And the grand total is here. Now, and the payment detail is also here. So you can easily mention paid or unpaid section over here. And patient having the option to pay the detail, pay the bill through cash or through online. So they are having that option also. So we just submit the detail over here. The bill is created successfully. Now we will go into the reports. We are having the two options over here. One is pending reports and other is a test reports. So you can see over here, you can generate the billing invoice list from here, from the date and also the payment status. And the payment status is also divided into in such a way that you can bifurcate the paid patient details and unpaid patient details. So you can take action according to that in terms of reporting. So the details are already here. And to find out the today's details, you have to search over here. And you can see the entry which we have done is showing here in terms of case number, the bill number, the billing date, the patient name, the reference doctor, and the amount. And the detail of the patient, if the patient paid or unpaid, is also mentioned over here. And here you have the digital sign option also. So the sign will already generate on the report with the digitally. And here in the action tab, we have various options available over here. Pay now option, email now option, the update payment. If the test you have if the patient have added any another test, a further additional test, so you can add the details in the test section and update payments also. The payment statement is also here. Print invoice. So if you want to print the invoice, so no need to go to the other section other than this. So you can print invoice from here only. So now we just create the report. Here is the details regarding the report. So this interface is for report. You can here are the detail of the patient, and you can add the report details or the report findings manually from here in terms of the test. So as you can see, you can add the values over here. You can see here you can add this details. And in terms of remarks, the pathologist can give additional remarks in terms of test and the test details. So it will show in the report only, and it will very helpful for patients also and their doctors also to read the report read the report and have the additional information regarding the test to here only in the remarks section. Now in report section we can go to pending report. Here you can see the details of the pending reports, number wise, bifurcated by case number, billing date, patient details, reference doctor name, and action. And here you are having the option to download the Excel sheet regarding the patient report, pending report details. So you can download the Excel sheet from here only, and for your analysis and for your you want to know the more about the patient report details, so you can download the Excel sheet from here and study it. So now in terms of accounts, you can go to due reports. Here also you can bifurcate the due reports by the reference doctor names. So it is very helpful for you to track your referring doctors and their what is the status of their tests and the reports from here only, and from date and in terms of payments. So each and every section you have that option to bifurcate the patient through payments. Like if the patients are unpaid, the list will separately generated, and if the patient paid the full patient paid the price, so the list will be different. So you have to refresh these details. Yes. And you can export the PDF also from here only with the help of export PDF. So all the data will be collected into the PDF file and it will be showed to you. In terms of billing invoice, here also the paid and unpaid section is available. So from the search, you can find the detail of the patient which we have added in terms of test details. So here in action segment, here are the options. Now the additional option is added, that print report, and you can edit the report also if any other finding, if the doctor find any other finding in terms of tests, so you can edit the report and add the details over from here only. So you can go to the print report. Yes, now the report is already generated. You can save and preview the report. So yes, as you can see, the patient pathology report detail is available over here. Patient name, patient age, sex of the patient, and the lab sample collected lab details is written over here, and the reference doctor name is also there. The barcode is already available, and here are the detail of the test, the test panel, the test, the naming, their observed values, and their range. They're already mentioned over here. And as you can see, the digital, we have added the digital signature, so a signature is also added over there. The remarks of the test is here. And now you can download this report through download PDF. The report will generate and print is generated through PDF file. You can take the printout of the report with the help of PDF file like this. So it is very helpful and useful for you to print the reports of your patients. And from here only, you can print invoice, of the patient's bill from here. As you can see, the patient name details, the patient contact number is there, and all the bifurcation of the test is already mentioned over here. The GST, the discount part, the collection charges. So everything is transparent for you and your patient also in terms of the reports and the pricing. So there will be no confusion between the patients that regarding the discount or regarding the GST, CST, or regarding the collection charges is already mentioned over here, and you can download the invoice from here only. So we have covered the billing section, we have covered the report section. Now we are going into the settings section. So in settings section, there are various categories. There are various tabs which you can see. The category section is there. The test section is there. The unit section, vendor section, patient section, the role section, the user section, and the template section. So first of all, we'll go into the category section. Here you can find the test with their categories, name, and you can add new test from this tab, add category section. So you can enter the category and submit it. So it will show in the category section, and you are having the option of download the Excel file from here to track the details, the test which you are performing, and to make a directory of the list of the test from here only. So the next part is test. Here also you can see the test list and their categories are mentioned over here, and the rate is also mentioned over here. So you can adjust the rate, you can update the rate from here only with the help of edit section, and you can create the subtest category also with the help of the main category of the test from here. The next section is vendor section. So this list is important for you because this test list is mentioning that the vendors which sending you the samples from various areas like doctors, other pathology labs, reference labs, phlebotomy generated leads, or you can add the leads are coming from the hospitals, or you can generate and you can add the list or the detail of the which clients who are sending you the samples like pharmacy or the medical store. So you can add these details in here in the vendor section. So you can maintain the vendor data here with the help of name, firm name, mobile number, email ID, telephone, and you can add the details from here also. And you can make a PDF list, you can make an Excel sheet from here also to your vendor list. So it is helpful for you to know the clients who are sending you the sample from the various segments. Here's your, in terms of patient section, here's your client data, master client data. So each and every information regarding the patient is mentioned over here. You can add the list and increase the list and make a data of your patient. So it is very sorted out and it is very clean data you will get with the help of this interface, and you can download it in the Excel format also. Next thing is role. So it is the details on the each and every section in the pathology lab is lab and their head. You can add the details with this role category. So the admin part, the admin, the cashier and the collection agent, the lab technician, and the admin to or the pathologist. You can add the details of this, all the details and the list, the persons who are working in the laboratory over here. And in the next section, you will find the users. So this is very helpful for you to manage the lab operations and the role and responsibilities of the lab person within the lab. So in terms of using the software, you can create a multiple user list over here and give them the permission to use the software. So for the helpful, it is very helpful for you and your pathology team to work closely and to work together in terms of report generation or the sample collection or the in terms of customer service or uh, in terms of testing. So you can add and give the permission to use the software from here. As you can see, the list is created with the user ID. So each and every person having the different user ID, the first name, the last name, the role, their email ID, their phone number, and their software using status is mentioned over here. And you can manage that from here only to give the permission or to block the permission of the software. And the last is having the template. So you can generate the report and print the report with your header and footer also. And you can give the report from your name with the help of header and footer, and it will be directly printed on the printing paper on the lab report with your name. So these are some templates. You can use this, add the details, and give a report with your name to the client. Now the upgrade section is there. You can see, you can find out your current plan details from my plan section. So all the necessary information is given here, and the status of the plan is also mentioned over here. And all your previous subscription details are mentioned in this my plan list. You can see the subscription ID, the plan ID, the amount which you have paid, the starting date of your plan and the end date of your plan, and the 1 year's details, and the payment status is already mentioned over here. So you can find out your current active plan status from here. And if you want to upgrade your plan, you can upgrade here with the upgrade now section. So Medikamart is providing the three plans, but in which the enterprise plan is very exciting and having a lot of features in here, and the most selling plan for our organization. As you can see, with the help of enterprise plan, you can manage the wallet service, you can manage the payment collection service, you can also have access to prime application. It is very helpful for you and your patient to connect to each other and to communicate and to give the services to each other. Also, you can see you can have the physical support of our team with the included in the enterprise plan. So it is our most selling plan with having cloud storage up to 10 GB support, and also we are having unlimited support of billing and reports with this plan, and the 1 month free subscription, 1 month free is also added into the enterprise plan. So it is very helpful and the most useful plan in terms of software. And now we have a feedback section over here. We are very welcome in terms of feedback of the clients who are giving valuable feedbacks to us. So by the help of the feedback, we are trying to enhance the features and try to enhance the services to give to the clients with the help of this feedback. And with the help of feedback, we have done a lot of changes in our software that is very helpful for the clients who are using the software. And by the advancement and the enhancement of the software, the clients are happy and using this software and the application. Uh, the usage of the software is increasing day by day. So your feedback is most welcome and your suggestions are most welcome in this. So we have covered almost each and everything in terms of enterprise plan, and we have gone through the website and find out the details regarding each and everything of the software and enterprise plan. So this is very handy and useful software for the laboratories, and each and every each and every person who are working in the laboratory is taken care by the software, and it is very helpful for each and everyone to use the software and enhance their work and give the better patient service to the patients. So that's all from my side. This is the enterprise plan details demo of doctors and the pathologists and the laboratory managers to work hand in hand to give the better patient service to the better patient service and to solve the patient's problem. Thank you.